Hello friends, here you see we have taken a disposable syringe. You see this one? This is a disposable syringe. Right, here you see, this is a disposable syringe. And here we have taken a beaker and we pour water in this beaker. Here we are pouring water in this beaker. Can you see? Here we have taken water in this beaker, and if we take water from this beaker in the syringe and can you see? Let us see the experiment first. After that I will explain why it is happening. Here we are taking some water in this syringe. Here you have to see that we have taken some water in this syringe, and if we place this forefinger in this hole and if I pull this syringe, let's see what happens to the water. You see here I am putting this after pressing the forefinger at this point and putting this syringe, and let's see what happens. Let's take some more water. Here we have taken some water and I put the forefinger here at this hole, and if we put this pistol, we pull the syringe, let's see what happens to the water. You see here? Now, if I pull the syringe, let's see what happens. You can see here that the water is boiling. You see here, you see clearly the water was inside the syringe. The question, why the water is boiling inside the syringe? Here you see the water is boiling. Here you see that means water is boiling inside the syringe. The question is, why water boils inside the syringe? The answer for this is that let us again perform the activity and let's see what happens. Yes, here you see that water is boiling when we are pulling this one. Here you see that water boils inside the syringe. Let's see again. You see, if we take this water and pull the syringe, then the water is boiling inside the syringe. The question is, why water boils inside the syringe? The answer for this is that the question is, why the water boils. When water is contained within a syringe and the pressure inside the syringe is reduced, the boiling point of water decreases. This phenomenon occurs due to the property of liquid called vapor pressure. Vapor pressure is the pressure exerted by the water molecules of a substance in equilibrium with its liquid phase at a specific temperature. At normal atmospheric pressure, water boils at 100 degrees centigrade or 212 degrees Fahrenheit. However, when the pressure is reduced, the vapor pressure of water becomes higher than the surrounding pressure, causing the water to boil at a lower temperature. Inside the syringe, when the plunger is pulled back, the volume increases, which reduces the pressure. As a result, the vapor pressure of the water inside the syringe exceeds the reduced pressure, leading to the formation of water vapor bubbles. These bubbles appear as boiling or bubbling water, even though temperature water may be below its normal boiling point. In summary, reducing the pressure inside the syringe towards the boiling point of water, causing it to boil or appear to boil when the pressure is reduced. Right? That means when we reduce the pressure inside the syringe, pressure is reduced. That's why water boils inside the syringe due to reduced pressure. That is the reason. Let us see or perform the performance once again. If we take less water Let's see what happens. We take some more water. Here you see, we have taken some more water, and if we pull the syringe, let's see what happens. You see, water inside the syringe boils due to reduced pressure inside the syringe, right? We already discussed why the water boils inside the syringe due to reduced pressure. When we are here, you see, when you pull the syringe, the volume increases and the pressure decreases inside the syringe. That's why when the pressure decreases, water boils or seems to be bubble. Right? That means water boils at the lower temperature than its normal temperature. You see, we have taken more water. Let's see. You see, water is boiling or bubbles is seen inside the water. That means water is boiling. You see here, water is boiling inside the syringe due to reduced pressure. When you increase, when you pull this syringe, the volume in the syringe increases and pressure decreases. Due to decrease of pressure, water boils at a lower temperature. But in general, at normal temperature, water boils at 100 degrees centigrade or 212 degree Fahrenheit. Here you see, water is boiling. Right? Here you see, it gives water bubbles. Here you see, if you write clearly, you see that water is boiling or bubble is formed inside this. Here you see, water is bubble. Right, here you see that water is boiling or seems bubbles. Right, dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.